As a major idol, Lord Phoenix holds a concert once every year.
Lord Phoenix!
I love you! Oh my god!
Lord Phoenix! Lord Phoenix, it's time for you to go on stage.
As the Lord of all birds, Lord Phoenix often likes to carry other birds as a way to feel more connected to them.
All right, little ones, fly off for now.
But before the start of a concert, Lord Phoenix will tell the birds to leave, to reveal their genuine splendor to the crowd.
Let's get ready to enjoy the most amazing time of the year, my little ones.
Lord Phoenix has bird fans of many different species, but one of these birds is unlike the others.
Lord Phoenix! I love you!
Lord Phoenix! Eek!
The Biyi bird, born with only one side of their body, requires both male and female counterparts to be whole and complete.
Ew.
In order to be able to fly, Biyi birds embark on a mission to find their mate from the moment they are born.
Look for the one that will complete you, son.
The true essence of life is to soar above the clouds.
Mom? Dad? I think I found my other half. Lord Phoenix! Let us combine our bodies! Become one with me!
A Biyi bird's natural instinct is to become whole.